Another beautiful day of winter. These days, I love being home, reading stories next to the chimney or listening to music at the couch. Today, I decided to stay here because outside it's very cold. And as we can't play outdoors, we can do it here. And as we always do, having fun. Today we're going to check what actions can we do in winter or we can't do in winter. And how are we going to see them? Look, our chimney is going to show them to us. Let's start reading. Can you eat soup in winter? Can you eat soup in winter? Of course, yes I can. Yes I can. I can eat soup all year, but in winter it feels better because it's warm, right? Yes, I can. Great! And look, we are getting a warm blanket for the couch. Thank you. Okay, next question. Can we wear sandals in winter? Can we wear sandals in winter? I don't think so. No. Yes, we can or no, we can't. I would say no, we can't. It's super cold outside. You cannot wear sandals. No. You need shoes or boots. Yes. So the answer is no, we can't. And look, we got a teddy bear. Great. Next question. Can you wear coats in winter? Can you, not can we, can you? And the options are yes, I can, or no, I can't. A coat, yes, of course I can, and I must wear a coat in winter. Yes, otherwise I will be sick all winter. So let me pick yes, I can. Great! And of course, correct. What gift am I receiving? I got a blanket, a teddy, and oh, comfy shoes to wear home. Great! Thank you. And the last one. Can we eat ice creams in winter? Can we eat ice creams in winter? What do you think about that? I think we can, but it will freeze our teeth. But wait, let's check the options first. We have yes, I can, and yes, we can. So both are yes. Okay. And what could be the good answer? If they ask us, can we? The answer must be yes, we can, right? Am I right? Yay! Great! And whoa! Look, tons of books to read this winter. Thank you! I'm super happy.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, let's now work with the verb can, okay? Yes, remember the things I can do and the things I can't do. Let's paint the following pictures and trace over the sentences. In winter, when it's cold, it's cold. In winter, I can, yes, I can wear boots. So first of all, I'm going to paint my beautiful boots, winter boots. So when it's cold, I wear them. And with these beautiful blues, dark and light blue, well done, we did it. And with a marker, I'm going to trace over I can wear boots. I can wear boots. Well done. Okay, now we go for the next one. In winter, when it's cold, I can skate in the mountains. Yes, I can, because mountains are super snowy and icy. So let's paint my skates. Let's paint my skates like this. I'm going to do it with this beautiful pink and green. And now I'll trace over, I can skate in the mountains. I can skate in the mountains. I can skate in the mountains. Well done. Now we go for this one. Okay, in winter when it's cold, yes, I can eat soup. Of course I can always, but in winter it's even more. I can eat soup. So let me just paint the bowl in a beautiful brownie color. I'll paint the spoon like this, and a little bit of smoke because it's very hot, and the letter soup. Well done. And now I trace over, I can eat soup. Yes, I can eat soup. Well done. Now we go for the things I can't do. Yes, I can, or no, I can't, with the T at the end. In winter, I can't wear sandals. No, it's cold outside. I mean, you can do it, but you will get cold. So let's paint the sandals this way. I'm going to go now for purple. I love purple, guys. It's one of my favorite colors. Let's paint like this. And now I do plunge a little bit. Great. What color can I use now for the word? Again, purple? Yes, let's do purple. I can't wear sandals. In winter, I can't wear sandals. Well done. Now we go for in winter when it's cold. Oops, I can't swim in the beach. No, I can't swim in the beach. The water is super cold. So let's paint this beautiful island. I'm going to paint this island like this. Okay. And here. Well done. And the sun. Beautiful island. Okay. And now I'll do green. Okay. I can't swim in the beach. Well done. And then finally, when it's winter, I mean, I can, yes, if you want, you can eat an ice cream, but it's very cold, okay? So let's just say, I can't eat ice creams in winter. So let's paint this beautiful ice cream. Like I'm going to paint the box in blue, and imagine that is a vanilla and strawberry ice cream. And strawberry ice cream. Love it. Super beautiful. And now again, now I'll take the orange. I can't eat ice creams. I can't eat ice creams. And that's it. Well done, guys. Goodbye.